I am a caregiver for my 3 children who are 11 and a half, just turned 6, and 4 and a half. I also actually consider myself a caregiver to my parents. So I feel like I'm always caring. Like I'm a caregiver essentially to anyone that I love. And that's something that I do very willingly. I always wanted to have kids. I think my first experience of being a caregiver was actually to my little sister. I'm 10 years older than she is. And I felt that I wanted to offer her something more than my parents were in capacity to give in the way of connection and nurturance and caring. And so I took that role very seriously as a big sister, and I still do. And so I think when I went to college and I started learning about psychology and child development, it felt very natural, very normal for me to go in a direction of working with kids and then eventually having my own kids. I think one of the things that I have really valued has been the community that has been built around me. And it has really allowed me to see that I would not be able to do this by myself. I would not be able to do this without the support of other caregivers. I think that in giving care and caregiving, there's a lot of things that we want to pour into those that we're caregiving for, and we often forget to pour that back into ourselves. And so I've learned that if I'm depleted and if I'm not accepting of support, that it's going to be very, very challenging for me to offer that to anybody else. And so the way that I've been running my business has been as a caregiver of my business as well. We are models, we are examples, we serve as templates and blueprints for other people to know how to be in balance in their caregiving and their nurturing. And I try as much as I can to not pour from an empty cup and to ensure that I'm not modeling patterns of behavior that lead to burnout for my team. At the same time, we are also always supporting each other. And so I feel like that's another aspect of caregiving that happens in the workplace and in my business specifically, where we are always extending care to one another, knowing that there is never going to be enough of that care to go around.